get mo yung damit ko dun. Yung pang-office. Tatay will go to office.
No!
Bakit?
Nakadamit ko na.
Kaya binigyan mo pa sa akin niya. Tatay will go to office. How can I buy you milk?
Dali na, diba?
Pero later I will go to office.
Yes.
Later.
Sunday.
Sunday. Oh, tatay needs to go to office.
No!
Ano? So, tatay will stay here lang and we will play.
Paano matuloy?
We will play lang all day long.
Yes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes na lang. Go sa work. 10 minutes.
10 minutes lang ako sa work and then I need to go home na. Anak,
Ayaw mo na lang yan.
get mo yung ano ko, dress.
No!
Para ito yung suot ko sa office.
No! 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 No!